Welcome to Degenerate EDC. EDC done degenerately. Today is another day, another box. Let's see what this flashlight's made of. Packaging is decent. Seems like they tried to make some effort in making sure this thing stays sealed. So let's see, we got here a pull tab. Okay. And here it is. This is the TUNENGE. Is it a TUNENGE? Is that how you say it? I'm not going to even try to say it. It's a YC8005 4-in-1 2000 lumens EDC flat flashlight. Just came in, sent to me by this company. I recently did a video on one of their other flashlights. If you want to check it out, you can see it here. But here we are. A nice flat flashlight. Comes with a decent pocket clip with a magnetic back. Don't need that. And we have a charging cable. Type C. Instructions that look like they should be read. And let's see what we have here. Some type of SOS. Press the buttons 3 times. Okay. Which seems okay. But that's not what I'm interested in. This is what I'm interested in. Dual turbo lights. This ain't your average EDC flashlight. This is path clearing power, built for the beach savage that I am. Man, who knows how safe these beaches are at night. There's literally no one around. You'd have to be an absolute degenerate to be out here flashing a bright light under the pale moonlight. Hold on, we're getting closer. And this is the single yellow light, also turbo mode. And here we are. Not too dark, not too pale. We're gonna go through a few of the bright settings and cover some good distance. If I really wanted to see the waves at night, I might be able to go fishing. Here's the bright single white light. It's pretty bright, covers some good distance, and this light is equipped with some side action. Let's engage, see what it can do. POV mode on, courtesy of the Meta glasses. Visibility, solid. This is the UV light. And this is the bright light. And that's pretty much it. And back to the main light, which is pretty bright. They can probably see me from that boat way over there. They can see me. But it's time to backtrack and head back. The turbo is still kicking, but I can pretty much go back the same way I came. And here we go. Hopefully no one followed me, or else they're in for a rude awakening. No, I'm just kidding. Usually these beaches are pretty empty at night, early morning as well. Whatever time I get in, and here's the yellow light. Yellow main light, and back to the dual turbo lights. I actually love how bright this is. Actually, no, this is the dual turbo. That was the main white, and now we're back onto the dual turbo white and yellow lights at the same time. It's pretty bright, man. It's pretty freaking bright. 2,000 lumens, I believe, is what that's what it said. And let's cross these streets, not get run over. And we're gonna use this side light, and this side light is pretty interesting. Different colors, variations, but what I like about it, along with the side light, it's also equipped with a red beam. A beam that's got precision. Even the cat's locked in and trying to load. When EDC meets feline chaos, things can get absolutely degenerate. And we're gonna shut this off. It stays on standby when you shut it off. I'm still getting used to it. But these instructions tossed. But you might actually need them, so maybe you should keep them. And yeah, there is a standby light when you just tap the buttons. Standby light comes on. You have the option to charge on the side. You have your USB-C connector over here. And again, it does come with the cable. You just have to provide the source of power, and you should be good to go. This flashlight, certified savage. I'm gonna leave a link in the description so you can get your hands on the same exact flashlight. If you're into this, please smash that like button and subscribe. Join the Degen tribe. You won't regret it. Thanks for tuning in to this degeneracy.